This is Bud. I thought I would do a real quick follow-up video to the video I made about getting rid of moles through the elimination of grubs using Milky Spore. And I just wanted to show you the results of that. It's been very effective. And if you watch that video, you know that Milky Spore is an application that you can put down, and it's effective for up to 10 years. So without further ado, let's look at some of the lawn. If you look back in that former video, you will see that the area that I initially filmed was this area here, and it was just riddled with moles. I mean, I had moles all over the place. This is my front yard. My wife commented at one point when she went out here to get the mail that it was like a war zone. The ground was so riddled with mole runs. I have not had any moles this year so far at all, except for early spring. I noticed, if I go over here on the other side, I had a few runs that are gone now. They must have gave up because they didn't find any grubs in that area and moved somewhere else. But over here by my propane tank, right there where my generator is, I had a few runs, but there's nothing there now. So all in all, that Milky Spore was extremely effective in eliminating the moles. I had them, this is the area where they first started here, back by the tree where my green energy station is, and then they kind of moved over into the back of my house, over to the back part of my yard, and from then they kind of went around the house. So I had runs all over the place, piles of dirt all over the place, and since I used the Milky Spore, I can say it was extremely effective in cleaning them up. So no problems to report to date, so I'm really happy again with the Milky Spore. Check out the video. I will leave links, and by the way, I also made an applicator for putting down the Milky Spore. Made it out of PVC, and I show you the materials you need to make that. If you buy those pieces and parts at your local hardware store, it's probably cheaper than using the links that I provided for Amazon. One of the comments I had was that you're only supposed to put like a teaspoon down every 4 foot, and someone commented that they thought that the applicator put too much down, and I would agree with that. In certain spots there was a lot that came down, but keep in mind that there's a blank that goes in there. I show that in the video. You can drill any size hole that you want in there, and you can limit the number of holes so that you can get it just right. I was using talcum powder as a trial to see how it worked, and it appeared to work pretty good when I was testing it, but I've since seen the need to take that blank out and drill some smaller holes. So I thought it'd be good just to give you that follow-up so that you would have an idea how effective the treatment was. If you're struggling with moles, believe me, I tried just about everything, and the traps didn't work. I tried granular product that I put down that was supposed to get rid of the grubs. Milky Spore did the trick. It was the one-time effective treatment. Water it in, and it's good to go. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you next time.